Howdy crew, got another unboxing for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Alright, so as y'all can still tell, it is very yellow tinted out. Fires are still going strong. I had to get a coffee out here because I was losing my voice and just throat going really dry from all the smoke and all that stuff. Ashes are everywhere, so stuff looks dirty. It's only been out for probably several minutes. Everything's already covered in ash. So anyways, that's why I have my coffee out. And I also brought out one of the batteries that came with one of the other products that y'all saw that I unboxed. And the reason being, this doesn't come with a battery. So that's why it's sitting out here. So I'm gonna go and open this up. It is the Dewalt Cordless area light, and it has its own little tripod. And as you all know, I'm trying to go as much as I possibly can with just battery powered stuff. So that way I don't have to worry about extension cords. Now obviously, as you all know, the Dewalt chop saw, the Hogan magnetic mount drill, all that stuff is going to need cords. That's heavier duty stuff, but things like this I would like to do as much as possible without cords. So kind of bummer this didn't come with any batteries, but it is what it is. So I'll just have to get some more batteries soon. There we go. And there's instructions in there. There they are. Okay. So let me go put this crick up so y'all can see what the general outline looks like. It's great. It's got a handle. That is fantastic. And it has its instructions. Goody goody. Make sure to read all this good stuff. Fire hazard, transportation, batteries, safety this, safety that. Okay. So, got the battery. Got the light. It's one heck of a flashlight. But this thing does extend up to 7 foot tall. It's pretty neat. And I'll demonstrate that again so that y'all can see with the camera. And battery goes there. Okay. So let's do that again so y'all can see. There's a little bit of a button here. I'll come around so y'all can see. There's a button right here on the handle, so you can that is great. And I do want to point out that is where you put the battery. I can't set that on there. I'm gonna hold it. Right there. Okay. And then there are these. You can see this out. There it is. Put that out more and lock it in place. Bring it back down. And then this part, I know it pivots. It's just, you force it. It doesn't look like it has any part where you tighten or whatnot, but it's nice and tight. It doesn't feel loose. It turns nice and loosely in a good way to where it doesn't feel like it's just gonna fall off, but it turns nice and easy. It takes very little effort. Y'all can see it takes so little effort, which is great. It also can angle down a little bit And then when you have this back, it does get up to 7 foot tall. So that is great, and we'll turn that on. Ta-da! I know it's flashing on the camera for y'all, but it's not actually flashing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you push the button 4 times, it goes super bright to medium to low, then to off. Sometime when it's dark here in the yard, I will turn this critter on so y'all can see that, but obviously it's not dark right now, and I have other stuff going on for tonight I have to get done. So anywho's, this is what it looks like. I'll pick it up again. It's very lightweight, extremely lightweight. I was used to the old metal ones, the really old ones. I don't mean the newer metal ones. I got used to doing the old metal ones, and the old halogen lights, ones where they're super heavy, bulky and everything. And this is great because it's very lightweight. Obviously I take care of my stuff to where I'm not gonna be banging this around. I know if this weren't a company with a bunch of employees, this would probably get broken after a while, but I do take care of my stuff. And interestingly enough, it actually has little holes in the feet to where I'm assuming if it's very windy and stuff's going on, you can actually anchor it down. I'll show y'all. So it's got holes there, and I just think this is great. It's just something that's fantastic. This was $230, I believe that was, as y'all saw in the one of the prior vlogs. And this is just gonna be something that's very, very handy. If there's gonna be overhead welding, I need stuff in a dark area, I can aim this up. This is just absolutely fantastic. I'm very happy with it, and I can't wait to use this at night so y'all can see and just make sure everything works great there. But initial thoughts is it's absolutely fantastic and it's great, and I will be giving y'all an update sometime when it's dark. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.